Hello, in this HTML crash course video we're going to cover advanced tables. Honestly, they're not much more advanced than the previous video. If you can hear that, that's just some traffic outside. The window is open because it is pretty hot and I'm recording quite a few videos back to back, so I'll just leave the window open. Hopefully I should be able to edit it out in iMovie afterwards, but if not, that is that sound that you was hearing. So first of all, we're going to just remove all the contents of the current table. If you don't have a table anymore, just put some simple HTML, some table tags, opening and closing. Within that, we're going to put a TR, which is a row, as we have covered before. And what we're going to do is, what are we going to do? Almost forgot. So inside here, instead of a TD, we're going to have a TH, which is table header. So just copy and paste this. I'm going to change this to column 1 heading. Copy and paste this, put it here. Change this to a 3, to a 2. And now we're going to create a new row. And in here, we're going to do TD, so some data. We're just going to put row 2, cell 1. I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to put row 2, cell 2. But I'm going to add an attribute of col span. So this is how many columns you want it to span. And I'm going to put 2. Simply put, this is going to be wider, but obviously it'd be better for you to see it, so just bear with me while I just code this table up. I'm going to put also spanning row 2, cell 3, hence why we're not going to have another cell in here. Let's just copy and paste this, and for this I'm going to put a row span of 2, change this row to 3, 1, and I'm going to basically cut this, put it here. Also spanning row 4, that is correct, cell 1, and I'm going to get rid of the column span. Duplicate this line, change this to a 3, change this to a 3, change this, it is cell 2, so that's fine, change this to a 3, add another row. It might look a bit confusing at the moment, bear with me. Best thing to always do is go through it logically, and trust me, you will get it, and when you see the result, we'll explain it as well. So finally, table data. In here, we're going to put row 4, cell 2, and I'm going to put cell 3, save that, refresh, and here we go. We've got column 1 heading. By default, it'll add some basic styling. Obviously, if you wanted to put in your website, you'd probably combine that with CSS and add some better styling. So as you can see, for the table header, it's added a font weight of being bold, which is really cool. We got row 2, cell 1, which covers normal width, but then the row 2, cell 2, it spans 2 columns, which is pretty darn cool. And because as you can see, this has basically spanned all of these 2 columns. This has spanned 2 different rows, and these are obviously just, well, normal pieces of data in a table cell. Well, that's it for advanced tables. If you have any question whatsoever, feel free to post it on my education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. I will be providing a link in the description to the source code from this video and the source code from every other video in this series. If you liked the video, please let us know. If you didn't, let us know as well, so we can improve our future videos. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.